Welcome to the AgentDesk AI program. This slide defines the learning architecture of the course. At a high level, Chapters 1 through 5 build the foundation, and Chapter 6 serves as the integrated capstone that embeds the advanced concepts mapped to Chapters 7 through 13. Let's start with the first side, that is the foundations, Chapters 1 to 5. In Chapter 1, Introduction and Vision, we align on why AgentDesk AI exists, what real business problems it solves, and what a successful enterprise assistant should look like. In Chapter 2, Project Setup and Environment, we create a stable and professional engineering workflow, so development is reproducible and collaboration ready. In Chapter 3, Agentic AI Core Patterns, we build the core intelligence layer, intent interpretation, orchestration behavior, and structured output logic. In Chapter 4, RAG Knowledge Base, we add grounded retrieval so the assistant responds from trusted domain knowledge rather than assumptions. In Chapter 5, MCP Tool Server, we enable tool connectivity so the assistant can move from answering questions to taking meaningful actions. Now the right side shows the key design decision of this course. Chapter 6 is the final capstone, and it includes the implementation of Chapters 7 to 13 capabilities inside one enterprise build. Those embedded concept modules are Chapter 7, Agent Orchestration and Response Strategy. Chapter 8, Remote MCP Tool Discovery and Execution. Chapter 9, Guardrails, Policy Checks and Escalation. Chapter 10, Lead Scoring and Follow-up Automation. Chapter 11, Human Handoff and Case Lifecycle States. Chapter 12, Demo Evaluation and Report Generation. Chapter 13, Bootstrap UI and Deployment-Ready Packaging. So this is not a disconnected 13-topic course. This is one coherent system journey, foundation first, integrated enterprise implementation second. Capstone Feature Stack covers Chapters 7 to 13. This slide zooms into Chapter 6 and shows the runtime feature architecture of the final system. At the top, we have Agent Brain. This is where intent is analyzed, routing decisions are made, and outputs are structured for reliable downstream behavior. Next is RAG Retrieval. This layer uses embeddings and semantic search to inject domain-grounded context into decisions and responses. Then MCP Execution. This is the live action layer where the assistant discovers tools, selects the right tool path, executes protocol calls, and processes returned tool responses. Alongside that sits Guardrails. Guardrails enforce policy boundaries, detect escalation conditions, and trigger safety overrides when needed. For business operations, we include LeadOps. This module handles qualification scoring and suggests actionable follow-up steps. Then Case Workflow. This manages lifecycle states from ticket_created to case_closed, enabling traceable human handoff and operational continuity. For validation, we use Demo Evaluation. A batch case runner produces time-stamped JSON reports so behavior can be measured, compared, and demonstrated with evidence. Finally, UI plus Deploy. A Flask plus Bootstrap interface makes the system usable for demos and stakeholder walkthroughs, with deployment-ready guidance for final presentation. So, you are not building isolated modules. You are building one portfolio-grade enterprise agent where Chapters 7 to 13 capabilities are demonstrated together inside Chapter 6. Here is the code downloading drive link for this complete AgentDesk AI project. You can go ahead and download the project completely and open the project folder in your Visual Studio Code latest version.